Today I'm firing up the Weber Kettle to make a burger, but not a regular burger. What I'm going to be making today is a grilled Thai pork burger. So what I'm starting with here is a pound of 80-20 ground pork. Yeah, you can get pork in 80-20, 70-30, 90-10. So now I'm gonna get my seasonings into this because there's a lot of great flavors for this Thai-inspired pork burger. I'm gonna start with a half a teaspoon each of salt and ground black pepper, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, a teaspoon of lime zest, a tablespoon of grated lemongrass. Can already smell those flavors coming off of this. And a teaspoon of soy sauce. Just gonna get in here now and mix this up. Combine all these flavors. Oh man, that lemongrass smell is coming off this with the lime zest. Oh. All right, that looks good. Let's form our burger. All right, so here is our pound of seasoned ground pork. Now, I'm not going to be using all this for one burger. Some of this I'm going to set aside, put it in the refrigerator, use it for other things. But we need this much to roll out first to cut our burger. So I have it on some parchment paper. Just going to put some more parchment paper on top. I want to roll this out. What I'm looking for here is something about 5 inches by 5 inches, 1/4 inch thick, and I think we've got that right here. So let's take our top sheet off. Now I'm just going to take my scraper here and I'm going to cut a square patty, because that's what we're going to be making today, a square patty for a square ciabatta bun. Just going to get the rest of our ground pork out of here. All right, this patty is going to go in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to firm up while we get the rest of our toppings for this Thai pork burger ready. For our sauce that's going to go on top of our Thai pork burger, we're going to start with a tablespoon of mayonnaise. To this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of a sweet chili sauce. This comes from Trader Joe's. You can find a similar sauce in many stores. I'm going to get about 2 tablespoons in here. That might be a generous 2 tablespoons. To this we're going to add a tablespoon of lime zest and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'm gonna mix this up. Let's give this a taste. Oh, nice, very bright. I like that. All right, this is going in the refrigerator, and we're gonna move on to our next topping. So here I have, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons of shredded carrots, just sort of like a nice small handful. To this, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. I'm going to add a little splash of rice wine vinegar, maybe a teaspoon. And we're going to squeeze the juice of half a lime into this. The hands are dirty already. I'm just going to mix this together. This little slaw that we're making that's going to go on top of our Thai pork burger. A little taste here. Oh, I like that. Little bite of acidity from that rice wine vinegar. Really nice. All right, this is going in the refrigerator too, and we're going to move on to our last topping. So our final topping is right in this little Ziploc bag. Got maybe a tablespoon and a half of roasted peanuts and a teaspoon of brown sugar. All I'm going to do is take my rolling pin and break these down. Want to get these into nice little crunchy pieces of peanuts. Not big. There, it's almost like a sugary peanut dust now. You can see that. All right, we're gonna set this aside. We're gonna head out to the Weber Kettle and we're gonna grill up our Thai pork burger. All right, I have the Weber Kettle set up with the vortex, probably about 2/3 full. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get my cast iron griddle on here, heat that up so we can toast our buns first and then grill up these burgers. Give that a couple minutes to heat up. First thing I want to do is toast my ciabatta bun, and all I've done is put some of that same topping spread on the bun. Just gonna let this get a little toast here. See how we're looking here. Starting to get a toast. Go a little farther on that one. Just a little more on that one too. Just want to press it down, get good contact with the griddle. That's looking good. Let's check our top. I'm happy with that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my burger on. I'm actually gonna cook two, I decided. They're not both going on one burger though. These are ground pork, so we're cooking these to 165. They're so thin, a temperature probe's not gonna really do much good. We're just gonna cook them all the way through by sight. Give them a turn. What we're doing here, still gonna take a little more. All right, we're gonna give these another flip. Give these probably their final turn. Ah, nice crust on there. Nice. All right, I am calling these done. I'm gonna get them off, get inside, and build our Thai pork burger. All right, we've got our bottom of the ciabatta bun. I'm gonna go ahead and place my grilled Thai pork patty on here. Almost made it to the edge, but that's all right. I didn't want it to like be hanging completely off, so I probably could have gone, I don't know, another 1/4 inch on each side, but this looked good. I'm gonna get some of our sauce on here. I'm gonna put some of our carrot cilantro slaw on here. Finally, some of our sweet peanut dust right on the top here. Get a nice little bit of texture and crunch from this. And then we have our top bun right here. There it is, Thai grilled pork burger. It's time to taste. All right, so I haven't tasted it yet, but my wife has. She made one from the second patty, so she's gonna give you the first reaction before I taste. How is it?
It's delicious. What do you want me to say?
This is my wife, the robot. Thank you very much, honey.
I enjoyed every bite.
Okay, thank you.
It was really good.
It's awesome, thank you. You're hired. All right, now it's my turn, and this smells amazing. Just that sort of vibrant lemon and lime scent coming off of it is just amazing. So here we go. Oh, wow. Sometimes you hear the term taste explosion. Well, honestly, in this, that's what it is. It is all those really bright flavors, the lime, the lemon. Then you have that nice sauce on top. You have the crunch and the sweetness of the brown sugar peanuts, a little bit of the bite from those carrots that were marinated in the vinegar and the lime juice. This is a winner. You get a really nice citrus note on this from those mixtures of flavors we added, which might seem strange for a burger, but for a pork burger, they work really well. And that sauce on top with that sweet chili sauce is just amazing. So remember, burgers don't just have to be made from ground beef. If you get some ground pork, add these great Thai-inspired seasonings and flavors to it, sear it up on some cast iron if you have cast iron, or grill it if you don't. Give it a good bun, good sauce, good toppings, and you're gonna have a memorable burger and a memorable meal.